Hello from PSMail. You may have noticed on our website that we recently released a couple new apps, one of which was a two-factor authentication app. We'd like to use this short video to show you how that works so you can begin using it. Now this is a free app. You can find it on both Google Play for Android or on the App Store for iOS. Just search for PSMail 2FA. And once you get that downloaded onto your mobile device, you can open it up like I'm going to do here. And we'll work on getting it connected to your PSMail account. To do that, we're going to go ahead and log into our webmail. You'll see on your left-hand sidebar, one of the menu options is Manage. So click on that, and then select Token 2FA. And it's going to ask you to provide a 4-digit PIN. This will link the app to your account. So go ahead and submit your PIN. And then it's going to give you a registration number right there. And you can now take that registration code and put that into the app. And that's going to link the two. And we'll submit that. And there you go. Registration successful. So now every time you want to log into a new session on your PSMail webmail, first you need to open this app, type in the 4-digit PIN, and that's going to provide you something like this, a 6-character token or passcode. Now I'm going to log out of my session here on my webmail so I can show you how this works. Once I bring up PSMail, here we go. I'm going to click on the Token 2FA option here, and you'll see that now it gives me an option for my email address and a token. That is the 6-character code that the app is now providing for me. Now you'll notice it has that timer underneath. That's a 30-second timer. When that timer runs out, it's going to automatically provide me with a new token. The security here is that anyone eavesdropping on you, whether digitally or in person, even if they manage to steal this token, it's not going to do them any good because after 30 seconds, it's useless. You get a new code, and then only that code will log you in. And there you have it. Logged in using the secure two-factor authentication. So as always, if you have any feedback or comments on this, we'd love to hear from you. Shoot us an email to our help desk through the link on our website. And if you have any questions, we'll absolutely get back to you to clarify how to use the new app. We hope you enjoy the security of it, and thanks for listening.